good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun. In this video, we would like to hear from Mariana from Pasay City. Go ahead, Mariana.
Adjective is a word that describes a noun. Good, courageous, adventurous,
Cooperative.
alert, aggressive, first, last, long, great, little, own, other, old, right, big, high, different, small, large, next, early, young, few, public, bad, same, adorable, amiable,
Amused.
pleasing, appetizing, average, beautiful, exasperated, blushing, bored, brave, bright, dim, broad,
Bulky.
burly, charming, graceful, cheerful, glorious, careful,
Grieving.
handsome, lovely, lonely, lively, lucky, large, huge, salty, round, sarcastic, nervous,
Naughty.
simple, nasty,
Appealing.
chubby, clear, clean, lean, cloudly, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved,
cynical, cynical,
sneasel,
dangerous,
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 dangerous, daring,
daring,
delicious,
disturbed,
disturbed,
dreadful,
dreadful, dizzy,
dull,
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 drained,
drained, adorable,
deceitful,
deceitful,
dashing,
dashing,
dashing, decayed,
decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow, shallow.
Watch our part 2 of the list of
Thank you.
adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!